Simplify or expand each expression and then classify it by its degree and number of terms. By the way, this is arithmetic with polynomials practice. So what we're going to do, first of all, I've shown you the problem here. It is a drag and drop problem, but I'm going to go ahead and pull my iPad away and work out these problems so we can answer the questions. So first of all, our first one is here. And we're going to distribute the 2x cubed. When we do, 2 times 7 is 14. X cubed times x squared is x to the 5th. We add the exponents. 2 times 3 is 6. X cubed times x is x to the 4th. Remember, when there's no exponent written, it's a 1. And we're going to add the exponents. And then 2x cubed times 1 is 2x cubed. And then we have minus 4x to the 4th. What we're looking for is we're looking for the degree of this polynomial and how many terms we have. Well, one more part here that I notice is that these two terms here are like terms. And when we finish this problem, we end up with 14x to the 5th plus 2x to the 4th, because 6 minus 4 is 2, plus 2x cubed, which means that our degree equals 5. It's the highest degree term. We actually wrote this answer in standard form, which means the highest degree first, then the next highest degree, then the final degree. And then how many terms we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. And again, it's just a drag and drop kind of problem. The middle problem that we were shown on the iPad is this. And really, the most confusing thing that I find for people is the parentheses. But we don't really need the parentheses. We can eliminate the parentheses, especially because there's a plus here. If there was a minus, we would have to distribute. But we get 7x to the 4th minus 3x to the 6th plus 9. And then, as I notice here, the 5x to the 6th minus 3x to the 6th is 2x to the 6th. I did pick those particular terms because that is the highest exponent that I see. Negative 2x to the 4th plus 7x to the 4th is plus 5x to the 4th. And then what we have is we have a 6x and then a 9. So when we finish this particular problem, what we see is that the degree is 6, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Finally, on the last part to this one, it looks like we're going to distribute or FOIL, whichever one you learned. So we're going to start here. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. Again, when we multiply, we add the exponents. X squared times negative 9 is negative 9x squared. Positive 9 times x squared. And positive 9 times negative 9 is negative 81. Well, our degree on this is the highest degree term. Again, we wrote this in standard form, which means that the highest degree is first. So the degree equals 4. But when we figure out the number of terms, what we notice is that these two terms are like terms. However, one is negative and the other is positive. They cancel out. So what we're left with is 1, 2 terms.